For this video, we'll be assembling and taking a look at the OdinLake O2 ergonomic chair. I've done a video in the past on another chair from OdinLake, and I gotta say that they make some great quality chairs which last and feel great to sit in. So subscribe if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, and let's get started. The overall setup process is simple, with an easy to follow manual and step-by-step directions. It took me about 10 minutes or less to assemble the chair after I unpacked everything. One thing I like about these chairs are the solid one-piece metal base, where the coasters or rollers or wheels, whatever you want to call them, get attached to. Some of the chairs which require each arm of the base to be installed separately aren't as sturdy and also end up becoming more noisy over time by creaking due to the multiple attached joints and parts. With everything fitting into place perfectly, the installation process moves along nice and smooth. The extendable and retractable leg rest is optional and not required, but it's good to know the option is there for those who want to have it. Here's a look at the OdinLake O2 fully assembled. It's a beautiful looking chair which shows off its premium design and material just by looking at it. This chair uses a Korean mesh material which they call Flex Breath Mesh. And it does exactly that. It flexes for comfort and breathes air into the openings in the mesh design to make sure you're not overheating or sweating in your chair. The O2 uses a wire control mechanism which is inspired by bicycle brake cables. This way you have easy to use controls right next to the seat without having to search for levers underneath the seat out of reach. The seat height can be adjusted between 17.7 to 21.7 inches, and the depth can be adjusted forward and back by 2 inches. The headrest is extendable and can be raised or lowered. It can also be rotated, making sure the angle is to your liking. The backrest has 5 adjustable height settings. It can be lifted to click into each level and can be lowered by raising it all the way up to release the lock and go back down. As for the lumbar support, it has 3 levels it can be set to. The backrest can tilt between 90 and 135 degrees. It can also be locked into place at any angle. There's a rotator knob on the side to increase or decrease the tension and make it more or less resistant when extending back into the seat. Moving on to the 4D adjustable armrest. The armrest can be lifted or lowered, extended forward and back, rotated left or right, and it can slide in or out, closer or away from your body. As for the material, it's made of premium PU soft padding. So for the optional footrest, there is a lever on the top to lock and unlock the latch, allowing you to extend or retract it back. The footrest can provide additional comfort if you want to lay back and extend your legs, if you're planning on relaxing or watching a movie or show, or just hanging back. The casters or wheels are nice and smooth and roll very quietly. They're also strong and durable. If you're looking for comfort, durability, and a long-lasting chair, the OdinLake O2 is definitely a chair which will meet all that criteria. With the 15-year warranty on the frame, you know this chair will outlast most other chairs on the market. The all-metal aluminum alloy chassis, premium mesh material, and modern sleek design provide for a chair which won't disappoint. I'll place links in the description for anyone who's interested, and I'll see you in the next one.